Hello guys, there are new updates on YouTube, so listen very carefully. I'll give you every time, every message that I get from YouTube on this new update on YouTube concerning our live stream. So listen very carefully. Remember to stay to the end of this video so you don't miss any of this. And also do well as you listen to the words to smash the subscription button, like, share, and subscribe. And do well to drop your comment section. Thank you. Let's move on. There are new updates on YouTube. I got this message, so I decided to share it with you. So the first is a YouTube update. You can now take a break during your live streaming, meaning that you can now show any digital web message or any channel video while you are on what live. So you can also take a break. Eligible viewers will see an ad. This is meaning what you can now take a break on your live streaming. You can also, when you are ready, maybe you have to do something, you can now just take a break, put ad on that your video, those eligible viewers on your YouTube you do what they will see that ad on your video. So this is another new way you can do what live stream. Another one is for replacing copyright music. Got even easier. You can easily replace any copyright music on your what YouTube video or any time you want by doing what exploring the AI powered suggestion tab in the replace song features and easily add one or multiple tracks to your videos. Do you see, this is another amazing thing that YouTube have done for us. When you got a copyright, you can easily repress it without being deleting the video. Another message is what new inspiration features in your YouTube or studio. That new inspiration is what the brainstorm from more places. Get AI hook suggestion to track your audience what eyes and easily save your favorite what ideas. So you can easily do this in YouTube. So YouTube have very tried for us by what upgrading some of the features in YouTube in this year 2025. Another one concerning our live streams. They say introducing a new live radar board for top fans, especially if you are in TikTok. This is where you can see this radar board for your top fans. You are going to see them there. So YouTube have another give us the space to do that also on YouTube live. So this is ever wonder who your top live stream fans are. Spotlight your contributors and spark engagement live with a radar board of your top fans. This funny feature is a simple way to recognize your most engaged audience members and encourage active participation during your live stream through your live chat, super chat, and gifts. So here, this thing will help you to know your top fans, those people who are usually on your live. Like in TikTok is where this usually exists. So, and now YouTube has what make us to know our top fans in what live streaming. We have many. Another one they said an easier way to celebrate your audience. It will also help you easier to celebrate your audience, to support them, to dedicate them, to dictate your fans in real time and shout out to them. So these are the things that YouTube has helped us to know and understand concerning what our live streaming can also help you to spark support from that your live stream. You've seen all that of those on your ladder board, those that from there you can encourage your fans and also show them some support too. So another way is to drive engagement with this ladder board. It can help you to drive engagement, inspire active participation during your live stream. The more fans engage, the higher they may climb the rank. So from here it drives your engagement. It helps them and help you also in driving your engagement. Here your fans will love the ladder board too. So you're more way to get your attention. From here your fans can get your attention very easier. And this in top 3 position we see a special ranking badness to their live chat. So it also help you in building your communities. So in this place YouTube are very tried in this new in this update, and they have also helped both the creators and the viewers. So this is it, and as you remember, continue to watch. What to do is remember to like, share, support, drop your comment. Is there any question you need or you want us to look at? So let's continue. The last but not least, make the most of your radar board. Want to give your top fan more recognition? Intro the new features at the start of your stream. There are new features in your starting stream. You are going to see them when you want to start. You encourage them by climb the top ladder by giving real-time shout out to help build that connection. You have to shout out, real-time shout out, thank them. Thank them for what they have done. You give them a shout out with your audience, your viewers, your most viewers. Shout out, tell them thank you. You know how to shout out. Thank you for watching. Just give them shout out, encourage them, and also you can also support them through that place. So this it really help us all very well in YouTube street, especially in life, because this thing here where you can easily see it is in your TikTok. That is in TikTok where you see it. You see your audience, the top viewers, of your audience. So this now YouTube are giving us that also to look on. So I say thank you for listening, thank you for watching, thank you, and see you next time.